Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart at St. Louis Catholic School here in Alexandria, Virginia, and it was a beautiful day. Got to speak to the kindergarten through 8th grade this morning. Got to stay for all their lunches too. But the main focus was all about anti-bullying, but really truly looking at one's heart first. Just like it says in the Bible, 1 Samuel 16:7, that man, woman, us, a lot of times, many times, we look at the outward appearance, but that God always looks at the heart, as big as our fist. And if we let Christ fully enter our heart, love fully enter our heart, we can turn that into this, the peace sign. One finger ourself, the other to someone that we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves, but how we choose to treat that person with kindness, hopefully. And that if we are hurting from past pain or current hurt, current sad memories, whatever is going on in our heart, that we turn that hurt people who hurt people into healed people who heal people. And we go out and be Christ's light to others that maybe can't see their own worth. We also talked about how all of us have the letter M on all of our palms. M for miracle, upside down, W for worthy, that we're worthy of love to give it and receive it. And that once we really truly believe that, Isaiah 49 says, I have engraved you on the palm of my hands, and that's our proof from God that he did engrave us and knows all the hairs on our head, and knows that we're fearfully and wonderfully made in his image and likeness, and that we're not a mistake. And that once we really truly buy into that, we go out and help others that can't maybe see that themselves, and treat them like we treat our best friends, see them for their heart first. Just like the shirt says too, one race human. We see everybody as human beings before anything else, and we see them through the eyes of Christ, how he would see them. And we know that we never have to go any of this alone, that even our Savior needed help carrying his cross. And if that means he needed help, we for sure need help and need others. And then once we understand that, we never have to go this alone. We put all of everything we have into him. And anything that we're going through, we know that we can make it through, because he strengthens us and gives us the courage to stand up for what's right, to be the voice for the voiceless, the hope for the hopeless, and eventually continue to spread his peace from the Prince of Peace. So thanks for touching my heart. Hope to see you guys again one day. Until then, much love. Peace.